Hello students, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to discuss the question answers of class 6 science NCERT chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is body movement. In this chapter I am going to explain you all the question answers so that it will be easy for you to learn the answers, right? So next let's move towards our discussion. Chapter number 8, body movement exercise question answers. First we have fill in the blanks. So let's see what are the fill in the blanks given in your textbook. First fill in the blanks is joint of the bones help in the dash of the body. So joint helps in what? It helps in the movement of our body. So we have to write movement over there. Okay, the joints of a bone help in the movement of the body. Second one, a combination of bones and cartilages forms the dash of the body. So what does the bones and cartilage form? They form the skeleton of the body. So you have to write over there skeleton. Third, we have the bones at the elbow are joined by a dash. So the bones of the elbow, the bones which are present in the elbow are joined by which joint? They are joined by hinge joint. Okay, hinge joint is present in the elbow. Remember that one. Next question, the contraction of the dash pulls the bones during movement. When we used to move from one place to another place, what happens in our muscles? Some contractions are there. So we have to write over there contraction of the muscles. The muscles contract and relax. Because of that, we can move from one place to other place. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks given in your textbook. Next, you have true and false. So first question for the true and false is the movement and locomotion of all animals is exactly the same. No, it's not exactly the same, because we have read in the chapter that for earthworm it is different, for birds it is different, for fish it is different, right? So it is not same. So we have to write over there false. Next question, the cartilages are harder than bones. It is also wrong statement, because the cartilages are soft than bones. So we have to write over there false. They are soft than bones, so it is false. Finger bones do not have joints. This is also false, because in our fingers so many joints are present. The forearm has two bones. This is correct statement, so we'll write true. In our forearms only two bones are present. Cockroaches have an outer skeleton. This is also true, because the body of the cockroach is very hard. Its outer skeleton is hard, so they have outer skeleton, so it's true. Next question, we have match the following. This is a match the following question in which two columns are given, column 1 and column 2. You have to match the column 1 with column 2. I have written the direct answer like this, only you have to write in your classwork. First one, what we have, upper jaw. Upper jaw we have to match it with is an immovable joint. Okay, the upper jaw is an example of immovable joint. Second one, we have fish. So in fish, what are the things present? They have fins on the body and they have a streamlined body, correct? Ribs. Ribs protects the heart. Okay, snail has an outer skeleton and shows very slow movement. Okay, the snail also has an outer skeleton, and they have very slow movement. When they will move, they have very slow movement. Cockroach can fly in air, and they also have an outer skeleton. Okay, cockroaches can fly in air, right? And they have an outer skeleton. Next, we have only three question answers in this chapter. So what are the three question answers? First question is, what is ball and socket joint? So what is a ball and socket joint? The rounded end of one bone fits into the hollow space of the other bone. Like that one activity was given in this way. In that we have to take one ball and a tube, and we have to make one cavity in the ball, and we have to insert that tube in that. Like that only your ball and socket joint. The rounded end of one bone fits in the hollow space of the other bone. One of the bone will be round in structure and the other bone will be hollow, and both the bones will fit together. This is called ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints allow movement in all direction. What is the function of ball and socket joint? They allow movement in all the direction. Example, where is the ball and socket joint? Shoulder and hip can be moved in all directions. The ball and socket joint are present in the shoulder and in hip, because we can move our hip and shoulder in all the direction, right? Second, which of the skull bones are movable? So in skull only lower jaw is movable. Okay, upper jaw can't be moved. It can't move. So only upper jaw is movable. Why can our elbow not move backwards? Our elbow cannot move backwards because the elbow has a hinge joint that allows movement in only one direction. Okay, why we can't move our elbow in the backward direction? Because in our elbow hinge joint is present. We have read that in the blanks, that in elbow hinge joint is present, which will allow movement in only one direction. So these are the question answers given in your textbook. I hope you all have understood. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubt. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you really like this tutorial, then please click on the like button, and if if you are new to my channel, subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I will be uploading a new video, you will get the notification for that, and you can share it with your friends also. Thank you for watching my channel.